Hello friends, a very greeting to everyone. Myself Priyanka. Now I am going to tell about the subject zoology, that which deals with animals, what study of life of living organisms, that is which is one of the subcategory of biology under the branch of biology. And now I am going to tell about you a concept that is related to vertebrates. Let us know what is meant by vertebrates. Vertebrates are nothing but the animals that which consist of an vertebral column, no, that is none other than notochord. Vertebral column plays a main role and that can differentiate into different type of categories. Let us know how the world of the vertebrates. Let us know what function it does. Let us know those all. Vertebrates. Vertebrates play main important role in function. Functional anatomy of chordates. Basic concepts of chordates. Now, today we will discuss about the world of chordates, its meaning, phylum chordata, diversity of chordates. Chordata. The name of the phylum is derived from Greek words. Chorda meaning a sting or cord, ata means bearing. It was created by Balfour in 1880. The name of this phylum only indicates that chordata means sting, ata means bearing, that which has capacity to bear that vertebral column. This word was created by Balfour in 1880 and this word is derived from Greek word. The reference is to a common characteristic feature in the form of stiff supporting rod-like structure along back the notochord, which is found in all members. Here, the main characteristic feature is nothing but vertebral column, that is none other than notochord, which is frame that supports the back, that supports the frame and maintain the skeleton of the erect by maintenance of that notochord. Thus, chordates are animals having a cord, that is notochord. Notochord is nothing but a vertebral column. Some animals belonging to phylum non-chordate, they do not have notochord or backbone in their body structure. They are called invertebrates. The animals which does not consist of notochord or vertebral column, then those animals are known as invertebrates. These are vertebrates: lion, whale, snake. These all comes under the category of vertebrates, but they consist of different types of classes in vertebrates. In invertebrates there are of different type of habitat, but none of the one that lives as particularly that lives in that habit, it's not the one. Few of the animals differ. All lower chordates are marine fishes, aquatic. Higher chordates are predominantly terrestrial. Saltwater amphibians are unknown. In these lower chordates, marine fishes, aquatic animals, higher chordates are predominantly terrestrial. Some of the amphibians live in salt water. Some of them live on land. No birds live permanently in water, while some amphibians, reptiles, mammals occurs as a residence of water. While tunicates are sessile, all chordates are free living. None is strictly parasite. Yes, none is strictly parasite. That is nothing but it is dependent on that only. It's no on that land itself. No. Each and every living organism, some of the living organism, they adapt themselves to both types of environmental conditions that occur in nature. That is, for example, frog. When we that is comes under the class amphibia. In that amphibia, it adapts to land even sometimes and it adapts to winter sometimes. Like that. All the living organisms have different habitat due to their environmental condition exist in nature according to their mode of nutrition. The living organisms' nature vary differently. They exist according to suitable environmental conditions. The chordates are probably the most conspicuous best known group in the entire animal kingdom. These chordates plays main role, which are the conscious animals, that is nothing aware of animals, that they have entire animal kingdom, partly because of their large size and partly because of the important role they perform in their ecosystem. That's nothing but in this there in this the chordates, these chordates are one of the most conscious animals, more having more awareness of the further and how to generate their offsprings. Those all leads to an entire animal kingdom a very large, because of the large size and partly because of their even they play a main important role in the ecosystem. Now next, I am going to tell about three fundamental chordate features, characters common to higher non-chordates. Advancement of chordata over other phyla will be continued in next session. Thank you and please subscribe.